So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the hair dye that my wife got from doing the Amazon Prime Day from the July 12 to July 13 when they're having some kind of on sale. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and now open this up and see what we got inside here, okay? By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so... So it says Magic Root Rescue 10 minutes root coloring kit, permanent hair color. It says fast, easy, customized, and then mess free. And this is by L'Oreal. And it's come with the soft bristles. Come with the bottle of dye. Oh. Shouldn't have done that, so I guess you mix this in there. So this set doesn't come with the gloves or anything like that, so here's the instruction and everything on how to mix it. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always. Peace.